Is it the same?
Yeah, same. Cheers, man. Oh, wow. What's up, everyone? This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Bukhara, Uzbekistan. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to take you around to some of the workshops here. If you guys didn't know, this city's famous for its craftsmanship. So they make knives, scissors, silk. I mean, really, really cool stuff. So as you see behind me right here is one of the mini bazaars. There's many bazaars all around. There's some workshops to the left. Some silk workshop over here, we can see them weaving. And then after all of this, we're gonna go and have lunch at Old Bukhara. That's the restaurant we're going to. It's by the pond. So now follow me and let's go explore Bukhara. So our first stop today is here at this craftsman's workshop. And basically what he does here is he makes knives. He also does scissors. I really like these scissors because what he does here is it looks like a bird, right? Little bird?
Yes, top symbol Bukhara.
The symbol of Bukhara?
Yes.
And you can also engrave the name here?
Yes, UNESCO.
And how much? You said 100,000, right?
1,000 soon.
So 100,000 soon, which is like 10 US dollars. Okay, I'll take one. So I'm buying this for my mother-in-law. So I'm getting her name engraved on the scissors. I know my mother-in-law will love it, especially because she uses scissors a lot. So 100,000, 10 US dollars. Thank you. Thank you. Ramat. This is basically like an empanada she has. It's potato fritter, really. All right, so it's 2,000, so it's like 25 cents. Pretty affordable. I'm gonna try one. Rahmat. A potato fritter, right? Fluffy dough, nice and oily. I think this actually needs honey. It tastes way better with honey or some cheese inside. It's pretty good. Nice snack. You can find along the street, 25 cents. All right, so as you can see, the inside, it's just fluffy potatoes. I need something to keep me going before lunch. I'm really, really hungry right now. As you can see, the city is really quiet. Lots of locals walking around. The only like tourists here is my group. And yeah, let's keep exploring. There's so many more bazaars. There's so many more things to see. Let's go. Look at these huts. So beautiful. This one's nice. Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. How much for one of these? How much? 40,000 soon. You like it? What do you guys think for 40,000? You know, trying to blend in. That's really nice. David. Oh, look at that one. Looks good, right? Looks really nice. What if I buy this one and this one?
Two? Two. It's 75,000 soon.
70.
Okay.
70?
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna take two for 70. I think it's a good deal. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you. Rahmat.
Where are you from, mister?
America.
What state?
In Florida.
Florida. I know.
So 70. This is 100. It's 10 bucks. 70. 7 bucks.
I'll take.
Perfect. Hello. And that's what you can find all around Bukhara. You can see all these different vendors selling their craftsmanship. This was all done by hand. Wow, look at that. The colors are just amazing. I love the colors. So I got two. Okay. Rahmat.
How old are you?
Me, 33.
Huh?
You never ask. You never ask your age. You never ask the age. Literally right across from that vendor, we have the silk factory, silk workshop. Here it is. Bukhara silk carpets, handmade. Wow. Let's do this. Wow. This is a huge room. How many different carpets do you have here?
We have silk carpets, wool carpets, so two different materials, but they're all made by hand, naturally dyed with tribal traditional patterns. Hello, welcome to a small workshop where we weave silk carpets, where we produce carpets by hand. Normally about 40 girls they work here, but that's just a short demonstration to show, because the main factory is in outside of Bukhara, where about over 200 girls works for us by weaving silk and wool carpets. Age of the girls who could work here from age of 18 up to age of 40s, because after 40, if they do continue, might be bad for the health, like eyes, fingers, shoulders, backache. It will take them from 2 to 3 weeks to learn how to knot a carpet, because to do one knot you need to move your fingers 8 different times. And the threads you see here, they're all 100% silk, but we also do wool carpets, we also do combination silk and wool, but they're all hand knotted carpets.
in this workshop what they produce is silk rugs, and they also have wool rugs that are from sheep, camel, and goats. And what's the most expensive one?
The most expensive carpet is just here, 100% silk, which costs 78,000 US dollars.
78,000. 78,000 for that. The problem is you have to have a huge room for this because it doesn't fit any of my rooms. I don't know, I'm good, I don't need to buy that. So what's the most affordable one though?
The most affordable ones are there,
Okay.
which starts from 100 US dollars.
100, that's it?
Yes,
Wow. 100, but that's not silk, that's wool.
that's wool.
It has to be wool. Silk is always the most expensive.
Wool ones like this would be about $100, which is made of sheep's wool. And the silk one, the cheapest would be $500.
I mean, I understand the difference, but still I think it should be more expensive because of the labor involved. These are really nice too, all this wood. We can't see this being carved, all this. Like these elephants and stuff. They do this here. So what they're telling me is that all these are from India except the camel. The camel is done here in Bukhara. I like the camel. I don't need it though.
5,000 okay? Huh? 35,000 okay? No, 30. I bought yesterday.
30.
Okay. Which one is this?
And now we're again walking through the bazaar, so there's like 3 or 4 of these. So basically it connects the whole city. You have to walk through here to get to the other part of the city. And yeah, tons of vendors selling earrings, clothing, hats. I mean, never ending stuff. Love all the silk though, really affordable, super nice. Wow, this is super cool. So this guy, what he's doing is he's painting these beautiful works of art. Look at this, love it. It's like, you know, basically Silk Road depictions. People coming here from China, from India, crossing all the way through Central Asia. Really nice colors. I mean, I love his art. Love it. This one's really nice with elephants, camels, wow, the minarets. Let me think about it.
Yeah.
Let me think about it. Yeah, it's a Silk Road. I mean, I love it. It's beautiful.
Yeah, the caravan.
Oh, and you
Starting
put-
all time this
So
China.
it says China,
Yeah.
Samarkand, Bukhara, Khiva, Egypt, Italy. Wow.
Is Marco Polo.
It's Marco Polo, huh?
Yeah. In the 12th century, this Marco Polo, they came these 3 nights sleeping this way.
Did he?
Yeah, like.
I didn't know that.
Relic this.
So Marco Polo
history,
slept here 3 nights?
Yeah, this 12th century.
12th century.
Yeah.
12th century Marco Polo slept in this city. That's
Yeah.
incredible. I had no idea. No one told me that. Bad guides. And now we're going to the pond area where the restaurants are, and that's where we're going to see some more craftsmanship. And it's literally right across from here. So as you can see, that is the building we came out of, the bazaar. And over here we have like some ancient ruins. Whoa. And yeah, we're trying to cross the street. We cross now? Let's cross. It's too hot. Too hot. That's when you guys have to know. When you come to Bukhara, don't come in August. Bad time of year. It's too hot. No, for real. I mean, I'm baking right now. 95 degrees Fahrenheit, roughly like 37, 38. Magyokyatore, which is the pit mosque. So it was built inside a pit. Yeah, right across from the mosque is this guy who has a craftsman workshop here, Master Crafts Workshop, and he has these amazing locks. Look at this. This is such an incredible lock. This is the camel, right? This is what the city's known for. Obviously, we are in the desert, but I personally love the turtle. The turtle is just, I don't know what I would use it for. That's the biggest issue, is that, what would I use it for? How much? 40,000?
Yes.
400.
400,000.
400,000. All right, 400,000, $40, right? How about the camel? Same thing, no? The camel? Oh, look at this one. This is gold? Bronze. I know, I'm joking. If it was gold, it would cost a fortune. Personally, I didn't want to buy it just because I don't have anywhere to place it. I don't have a house that locks like that. I don't have a gate like that. So I mean, why would I spend the money? He was saying, oh, just keep it as a souvenir. I'm like, you know, how much money do I want to spend today? It really depends. That's $40 US. So I really, you know, I don't just throw away money. I buy things that either I think are gonna like last forever, you know, in my house where I can think of the country, or something I really like the hat, right? So next up, we're gonna see some wood carvings. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum. Wow, beautiful workshop.
Thank you.
Incredible. Yeah. He's basically carving out. What is this? This is for the books, right? The books. Yeah, the book stand.
For book stand design.
Personally, I love these, man. These are gorgeous. How much for that one?
And
6,500,000 soon.
6,500,000. 6 million is $600.
Soon, no dollars.
Yeah,
no
yeah.
dollars.
6 million is $600. Not bad for this. Look at this.
670, yes.
Look how beautiful it is. Wow. When you come to Bukhara, I highly recommend coming to this wood workshop and buying some of this incredible craftsmanship. I've already bought a few of these for my daughters and my wife, so I'm good today. But I really like everything. The chessboard is incredible. The seats, the little tables. I mean, every single thing is so unique. I personally think one of these plates is probably worth it, you know?
It's flower, it's family, each flower is generations.
It's a generation?
Yes.
Wow. Rahmat.
Goodbye.
Rahmat.
Thank you
so much. And you just keep walking a little bit more and another workshop. And this one's called Artisan Development Center, Crafts Center.
I see your country.
German silver, copper and brass.
Inside the center is also the shop where you can buy some of this brass work. If you didn't know, Uzbekistan only works with brass, correct?
Yes.
Brass only.
And copper.
And copper, okay, okay. Brass and copper. And this is all brass?
Brass,
Okay.
yellow one brass.
Yellow and brass?
Red one is copper.
Oh, so red copper,
Yes,
yellow
and
brass.
silver, white one.
Okay, but you don't, this is not normal, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, and what I like the most are these, man.
Yes.
These are nice. And this is brass. No, it's copper. It's copper because it's red. Yeah, and how much for these?
This is for your gift.
No, no gift, no gift.
Just gift.
Gift?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you,
You're
thank
welcome.
you. Ramat.
You're welcome.
This guy's the man. This guy's the man. He just gave me this. Thank you.
Copper is better for health. For everybody's health, I mean.
Here in the craft center, they also make jewelry. This lady right here, she's making some earrings, you can see. Really beautiful earrings. And over here, they have some rings. They have more bracelets. The bracelets are really, really nice. Oh, I mean, I don't know. I'd buy for my wife right now, but I don't know if she really wants me to. This one's cool too. This one's like super nice. I like this one. This is copper, no?
Yes.
Copper. Oh man, thank you. This is awesome. Thank you so much. But now it's time to go to Old Bukhara restaurant for some lunch.
They always go just crazy with the meals.
They go ham with the meals.
It's like 7 courses.
And here we go, Old Bukhara restaurant. Let's go inside and eat some delicious food. All right, so to start, we have a huge spread here of salads. We have tomato salad, we have, I think it's meat and beans with chickpeas, and then right here we have eggplant with some like tomato, I think it's tomato on top. Let me just take it down, right? It's almost like a bruschetta in Italy, like the bread with tomato on top. Tomato with eggplant, spectacular, man. So next up we have tomato salad, tomatoes, onions, I don't know exactly what else is in here. So I'm guessing this is beef, right? It has to be beef. Wow, nice. Beef, a little bit of fat. We got the beans right here. Chickpeas, string beans. Oh. So tender. It's moist, it's fresh. I like how they put the chickpeas. It gives it a different like texture. That's the best salad, guys. That's the best one, yeah. And now tomato, look. Look at that. Oh my God, it's like flying apart. Whoa, man. These tomatoes are like out of this world. This is so juicy. Cheers. Pretty good. It has a different taste, right? It's not like a pure, clear white wine. It has a little bit of a tint. Here we go. Here, we'll try it together. Is it the same? Yeah, same. Cheers, man. Oh wow, nice cheese. I had this in Greece, same thing.
Very nice. I like it.
So it's basically bread with cheese, right?
Yeah.
That's it? Anybody want? Anybody want? Hot chick. Yeah, cheese thing while you have it, right?
Show me another video. Wow.
Is it look but don't pass?
So what is this?
It's hot chick, which is basically bread with cheese and cheese on top. So this is mastaba. Basically, it's a beef, rice, veggie soup, right? Exactly. So many flavors, nice veg. I love how the rice has absorbed some of the broth. Oh, incredible.
There's Uzbek yogurt that's inside the soup.
Yeah?
It's very good.
So I put it inside the soup? Let's put it here.
Yes.
Okay, so we mixed it with this yogurt, right? That's what you said, yogurt? Oh man, the yogurt gives it such a creamy taste. All right, and the final course. Right here, we got some delicious lamb. Look at this, wow. It's so buttery, got some potatoes, got some onions. I think I'm just gonna go here and grab this and just suck on it. Oh my God. Look at that. Dude, it's like straight butter. This is probably the best lamb I've had the whole trip. The flesh, the fat, everything is just falling apart. I don't know how long it's been like in the oven, but for sure a long time because it's really falling apart. Blown away. Dude, stellar, stellar. All right, so here is dessert. What do we got?
We don't know exactly, but
You don't know, bro? Come on.
Ice.
This hot souffle. Oh my God, it's like, oh, it's so hot. You put some vanilla ice cream. Oh, right there.
it is hot. It's like
Yeah, he's gotta like,
toasty warm.
he's gotta let it like melt in there, you know? Like, ooh. Oh wow. It's almost like a chocolate pudding with melted chocolate throughout.
Yours is different. Look at how much mine has melted.
Oh, yeah.
The chocolate is more liquidy.
Yeah, I mean, the difference, yeah, yours is way more liquidy.
Yeah.
Mine's not that bad. And yeah, guys, so we had an incredible day today. We explored Bukhara's craft scene. We went to many different workshops. We saw them like making some bronze work, some copper, some wood work. We also saw some silk weaving. And then we came here and had an amazing lunch. My favorite thing was the lamb. What was your favorite thing?
This right here.
This right here. Alright guys, so if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. And please look up all my friends in this video in the description below. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Uzbekistan.
Happy trails.